Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sudeep Paul, your very own mentor of Blue Sky Plan and founder of Image 3D Conversion. I'm glad to announce that we have launched a very compact and exciting program, the 2-day workshop on digital implant surgery. After the overwhelming response from our previous workshop, we have made the changes to make the program more compact and informative to deliver all the information in a nutshell. So, what are we going to cover? Well, it's everything related to implant surgery, all on X, full mouth restoration, how to design temporary flapless surgery, and even how to design surgical guide for different kind of cases. Come join us in this mega workshop to gain the knowledge that will help you for your implant practice for lifetime. For more details, leave us an inquiry and our team shall get in touch with you. Here is wishing you a happy practice and happy learning. See you soon in the workshop.